It comes to attention that some people want to sharpen their Leatherman Micra or their Leatherman Style CS. Now, due to spring mechanism blade, you can't open scissors wide open like conventional scissor. There's actually a way around this. So, it doesn't open, right? Actually, let me adjust camera first. Close enough. So it doesn't open, right? Here's the trick. You have a spring mechanism right there. Push it open so it's not snapped, and push it back just a little so it can clear the hinge right there. And again, closed, open, won't clear, right? Push it back a little bit so it locks and won't pop back. It's a little more than that. And it'll clear the mechanism. And that opens wide enough for you to sharpen it with something like the ceramic honing rod. It's not really a honing rod, it's more like an abrasive rod. Just kind of run it around against the edge a couple times at right angle. And there you go. It's not too hard. And yeah, I've sharpened this. It will go through paper, like all my other knife videos, with ease. You know, not sharpest, but hey. Good enough. Anyways, that's it.